Bestie, let's be real. There are things you do every single day that are secretly making your skin worse. And the crazy part is they have nothing to do with skincare products. In fact, if you just fix these small habits for 1 week, you can literally trick your skin into clearing up faster than any expensive serum could. And today, I'm breaking down exactly what to change and what to start doing, so you can wake up a week from now, look in the mirror, and think, hold on, when did my skin decide to upgrade me? I'm not talking about generic drink water advice either. These are specific underrated hacks that most people don't even realize are the reason their skin looks dull or keeps breaking out. So, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a 7-day reset plan for naturally clear, glowing skin without dropping a single coin on new products. Let's start with your phone. Every single time you take a call, you're pressing your cheek against a screen covered in oils, fingerprints, and bacteria. And then you wonder why your cheek is breaking out while the rest of your face is fine. Exactly. The fix is simple. Quick wipe downs, or even better, switch to earphones when you can. Pair that with one skincare trick I'll share in a second, and you'll notice your breakouts calm down fast. Now, here's my secret weapon, saltwater splash. Sounds a little weird, right? But when you dissolve a pinch of sea salt in water and dab it on inflamed pimples, it works like nature's antibacterial serum. Breakouts calm, redness shrinks, and you actually feel your skin fighting back. But balance it out, because too much salt will dry you out. And while we're exposing habits, let's be real. Your hands are not innocent. How many times today did you lean on your palm, touch your chin while scrolling, or pick at your skin in class? Exactly. Your hands touch desks, doorknobs, and phones all day. So when you touch your face, you're literally pressing bacteria straight into your pores. The fix? Be hyper-aware. Stop touching your face unless you're cleansing or moisturizing, and keep sanitizer on you as a backup. This one change alone can clear up breakouts faster than you think. But now, let's talk about the real foundation, the routine. You don't need a 10-step routine that drains your allowance. All you actually need is 3 things. A gentle cleanser to wash away the dirt and oil, a light moisturizer to keep your skin barrier strong, and sunscreen every single morning to protect your skin from UV damage that causes breakouts, dark spots, and dullness. That's it. Stick to this simple trio for a week, and it's wild how much calmer and fresher your skin will look. Everything else is just bonus. And speaking of bonuses, here's one I love. Honey masks. Twice this week, mix raw honey with a pinch of turmeric and a drop of lemon juice, apply it for 10 minutes, and rinse. Honey is antibacterial. Turmeric fades marks, lemon brightens. Do this a few times and you'll actually see your skin tone evening out. And here's where we sneak in another underrated hack, your pillowcase. Swap it for satin or silk and suddenly your skin holds onto that glow instead of drying out overnight. And don't sleep on this under-eye hack, chilled green tea bags. Green tea has caffeine and antioxidants that actually tighten skin and reduce puffiness. Do this for 10 minutes after school, and you'll look like you slept 10 hours, even if you were up binge-watching until 2 a.m. So bestie, that was your 1-week skin glow-up game plan. Do this consistently for 7 days, and your skin won't just look clearer, it'll feel healthier, calmer, and way less chaotic. That's your natural glow-up without buying a single new product.